To replace the TPMS sensor on my vehicle, the first thing I did is I took a valve stem remover, stuck it in here in the valve stem, removed the valve stem so all the air came out. Once the air came out, I took this car jack right here that I bought from the junkyard. I think it was about $15, and hooked up my impact right there to it and started raising it on the bumper, or trailer hitch I should say, of my truck. Okay, and it broke the bead, and I actually broke the bead in a couple spots, maybe just a little bit further away, about 5 inches further back on both sides of the TPMS sensor. After that, I went about 4 inches inward, maybe 3 inches inward, to give me enough room to work. After that, I took some pliers, in this particular case needle nose. I stuck it in here where the reader is. This is what the reader looks like. And I just grabbed it with the pliers, and I just went up and down, maybe 5 times, and it broke off. The reason I want to break that off is so I can pull the valve stem forward. Okay, and to pull the valve stem forward, I just have this tool. I got it from Amazon right here, and I'm gonna screw into it, and then I'm gonna pry it. If you don't have enough room to pry it up, you might need to put a piece of wood, like a block, underneath this, and that way you have enough room to pry it off. And once I do that, these are the valve stems that I'm using right here, the bright sensor, and I have to replace 2 of them, so I grabbed 2 of them out. This is the reader or programmer learner I'm using. It's by Bartech. If you don't have one of these, you can go to Sam's Club, Costco, Bell Tire, Discount Tire, any tire shop. You could take your car there and they'll program it for a fee. Sometimes it's free, but sometimes they may charge you. And once that's done and I reinstall it right here, it's going to go from the bottom upward, and I'm going to take it off the jack and put air in it. And if you need to put air in it, you should be able to put air and go right back in its place, because I did not break the bead around the whole tire. If you break the bead around the whole tire, you might need to get like an air cannon that has a lot of PSI and blow into it as you're filling up with air, and that way it catches the tire and puts it back in the spot. So I try not to break the bead all the way around. I've done this for years. I haven't had any problems. Some people might say you're damaging your tire. You can cut your tire, you can ruin it. I've never had any issues, and I've been doing this for years, maybe 15 years like this, and I've never had any problems. And but this is for learning purposes only. Do it at your own risk, and if you don't feel comfortable doing it, take it to a tire shop. Again, this is how I've always done it. Thanks. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Take care. Bye.